Hello, magandang umaga po. It's a beautiful morning. It's a Monday morning here in Cebu. And I have a very, very important topic for every one of us, including myself. And ito po yun. The most important. Okay, and the greatest and the most beautiful things on earth happens without us seeing it. Alright? Hindi natin nakikita kung paano nangyayari, okay, kung paano nabubuo, kung paano nagagawa yung mga bagay na sobrang ganda, sobrang amazing, yung mga wonders na tinatawag. Alright? Hindi yan nakikita ng mga mata natin. Alright? Naisip ko lang yung bata. Alright? Babies, no? Tao. Nabuo tayo sa tiyan ng ating magulang. Tama? Meron na bang nakakita kung paano nangyayari yan? Alright? Kung napanood mo na ba kung paano nabubuo yung baby sa loob ng tiyan? Okay? Pwedeng nakukunan siya ng picture, no? Through ultrasound or yung mga latest na ngayon, mga 3D. Pero nakikita mo ba kung paano siya nabubuo, kung paano yung millimeter by millimeter nagkakaroon ng laman yung muscle ng bata, millimeter by millimeter tumutubo yung mga buhok niya. Okay, meron bang nakakapanood? Wala, di ba? Yung halaman o yung puno, okay, alam natin, itinatanim natin yan. Alright, meron na bang nakapanood kung paano siya tumutubo? Alright, di ba pagkatapos mong itanim yung buto, kinabukasan or after a week or two, makikita mo may lumalabas na dun sa lupa. Okay, then after another week or two, makikita mo may mga dahon-dahon na. Meron na ba sa atin na nakapanood o nakakita kung ano nangyayari sa loob? These are just two examples how life works. The greatest things in life happens without us seeing. Hindi nakikita ng tao kung paano nangyayari yung mga magagandang bagay, in short. Alright? So, why am I saying this? Probably dumadaan ka sa buhay mo. Alright? Na parang you're expecting something great to happen. You've been working on something. You've been praying. But it seems nothing is happening. Okay, you've been releasing your faith. You've been believing that God will work. And God will allow, will bless you. Pero day after day, you don't see a thing. Alright, there are hints, no? So, watch out for that hints. Kunyari, ikaw yung nanay ng merong bata sa loob. You see, may movement. Alright, and nakikita mo, it's growing. There's a hint, but you don't see a thing. Alright, kung ikaw yung nagtanim ng halaman, yes, you see it budding, you see it na lumalabas siya. Alright, pero yun lang ang nakikita mo. But wala, kahit titigan mo siya ng buong magdamag, buong araw, parang hindi naman tumutubo. Pero every time you wake up, you see a hint that it's growing. But you don't see anything na talagang moving. Alright, so yun din ang gusto ko pong sabihin sa ating lahat. If we're probably doing something, we're believing for something and you're not seeing anything, then God is saying, I am doing something that you're not seeing. Alright, so keep that faith. Keep that faith. Keep believing. Alam mo, pag hindi mo nakikita, and kung si God yung nasa background, if God is really working on it, believe me, it's going to be so beautiful. It's going to be amazing. Katulad nung the human beings, tayo, it's amazing how we are being created. Yung magagandang halaman na yan. And everybody na lumalabas dito sa mundo na pag ang Diyos ang gumawa, believe me, you will be amazed. Alright, so yan lang po yung gusto kong i-share sa ating lahat, including myself. If you're doing something right now, working on it, believing on it, praying about it, and you're not seeing anything, it means God is doing something that you're not seeing. And believe me, isang araw na lang, nganga ka, magugulat ka, sabi mo, wow, paano nangyari ito? It's the same thing. How God created all the beautiful things in this world, hindi natin nakikita. Alright, so I hope I'm making sense. I hope nakatulong sa iyo if you're in this process of just watching and not seeing anything, but you're believing that something will happen. You're normal, and God is doing something. Yung kanyang assignment, yung kanyang part, ginagawa niya. Alright, so maraming salamat po. It's a great day today. It's going to be a great week. So magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video. God bless.